Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technological Human. Today we are going to unbox the PiBOX HDD series docking station, single docking station. You can see the specifications here, you can pause the video. This is the installation instructions. Now let's get unboxing. You have to cut this right here. I'll leave the link to this down in the description so you can easily find it. After I open that, need to now open like a second. This is the start of the box. We get this cardboard piece with things written on it. Now we get this. I think this is the data cable. They stuck it with glue. Okay, here is the cable. Here's the USB type mini B cable that goes from a computer to the docking station. They have their Wi-Fi adapter, the adapter cable here. It says PiBOX, but it's actually Geo, the one that comes with the fiber. Okay, now we have to open this. Here's the actual dock. Looks very straightforward, neat. Okay, now we have to connect this to a reasonable power source with no interruptions, because it may lead to HDD corruption if not being stable with the power. First, now we have to on off the UPS. You have to connect this to the power source. Recommended UPS doesn't fit here. I'll put it into the direct power socket. Now connect this back of the dock. Connect this to the back of the dock. The board. Now take this cable, USB data cable, and plug it in to here. Plug it into any of the USB ports on your PC. Fast super speed ports are recommended. Connect this here. By default, the unit comes off, so you have to turn it on by pressing this button. Now let me plug in the hard drive. I really hope this works. To line this with the SATA connection and power on. This is the disk management window. This is my current drive. I forgot to on the switch only. On the switch. Okay, now look, it powers the hard drive. It will take some time to get recognized. As you can see, it comes here. First, if you get a new hard drive, it may ask you to initialize it, but here I don't need to. I made a new unallocated space. As you can see, after on the dock, before using the hard drive, as you can see, this shows the current activity status, shows when the drive is being used. So now make a new simple volume. I made this into a partition. It's still formatting. Okay. Close the disk management window. Open File Explorer. I'll make a folder in the music folder. I'll try copying it to the hard disk. Now, paste. As you can see, this starts blinking. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.